It is really exciting to be able to walk in here. You can tell immediately how much is going on, how many things people are working on. I think the thing that attracted me to the Samsung intern program was the fact that the company is just extraordinarily innovative. Being creative is absolutely part of everything that you're doing here. In a demand creation internship, you're taking this seed of a product and saying, this is something that we think could help you, and you have to figure out ways to communicate that to people. And that's something that I've done to some extent in classes and my MBA program, but working on it in a real-life context with live products, I think is really exciting. I came in kind of just expecting to maybe do spreadsheets or something like that, and no, I'm working on real live projects. The stuff that I'm actually working on, it's on products that aren't out yet. Even the products that we have now, we're trying to figure out how we can use them in conjunction with technology that doesn't exist yet. But I came into this just wanting to learn, and I think what's been so great so far about working at Samsung is that everything that we're doing, it's so far beyond what I thought was possible for an intern.